Hello today! This is my super amazing Hape Marble Run 11. It's called Haper version 2. Let's check it out. There's a funnel in the middle, a double entrance funnel right here, and at the end is a super nice sounding music block that I can't wait for you to hear. Let's put a marble down it. Now, let's see the second way the marble can go. Now, let's put both marbles down at once. Yeah, so that was my super amazing Hape Marble Run 11, Haper version 2. If you like this video, please hit the like button below and make sure to subscribe. Bye!